Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Weverse account. So Weverse account is a login account used to access the Weverse platform. It is a social media app and website created by Hype Corporation. It allows the fans to interact with artists, access content and purchase the merchandise. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Weverse application. You can see over here Weverse application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now in this interface, you'll be able to find the option for join or login. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the sign up or login interface. What you have to do is enter your email over here, or you can also sign up with X, Google or Apple account. So what you have to do is tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to enter my email. So tap on the field of email and enter your email over here. After you enter it, tap on this option, continue with this email. Now you can see over here, you can use this email to create a new account. What you have to do is tap on this option, sign up now. Now you'll have to create a password for yourself. Your password must be between 8 to 32 characters. It must contain at least one letter, number and symbol. So simply create the password accordingly. Now confirm the password. Now after you do that, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to enter a nickname for yourself. You can see over here the nickname will be provided by default. You can edit it if you want. Now tap on the option next. Now you have to agree to the terms of user agreement. You'll be able to see the informations over here. Read these informations very carefully. Now tap on this option, I agree to the terms of use. Now tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. You have consented to receive promotional information for Weverse services as follows. Promotional notifications at night. Simply tap on the OK option. Now you can see over here you'll have to verify your email. Verification email will be sent to your email address. So simply open your Gmail. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. Weverse has sent me the email. Simply tap on it. Now in this email you'll be able to find the link for verifying your email. Simply tap on this option, verify email. Now you'll be redirected to the browser. Now you can see over here you've successfully joined the Weverse. Simply tap on this option, back to login page. Now what you have to do is enter your Weverse account email and password over here. Simply enter the email with which you created the account. Now enter your password. Now tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your Weverse account will be created. So that is how you create Weverse account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.